Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is a follow-up to my previous one in which I showed you guys the planner that I'm trying out this week. This is a half-letter disc-bound planner. The cover is from Staples, the Arc line, and the discs are also from Staples. They're Martha Stewart. And the paper inside of here is a mix of dot grid and lined here. So I wanted to try this out this week because my goal for 2020 is to continue to use dailies because of everything that I have going on, from my freelance work to my afternoon job to the projects that I'm working on. One of the big ones is my memoir, and I'm tired of having everything everywhere. I want to have it all here. Now, I know I had pretty much thought I narrowed it down in my classic size Happy Planner Franken planner system, which I'll link below for you guys to check out. But y'all, one, I want something more neutral, and if I do have a pop of color, I don't mind having that with my stickers. I just don't want everything to be colorful. Now the spread, well, the layout I should say, not the spread. The layout that I'm currently using is, I'll show you guys an empty one, is the Happy Planner Vertical Hourly. I like the week at a glance, but like I said, with everything going on, I need a daily. So I'm gonna kind of mimic this in the cloth and paper one that I saw. I'm thinking about getting the cloth and paper one for 2020, and I just love the way that's broken up. But when I got this notebook, I was like, I think I could make this work. So I'm gonna do a test page on this one right here, and the dot grid will just be for extra stuff. So let's get into my test hourly here. So I'm thinking of doing the day of the week, and then possibly so that's option number one, to put the day of the week here. And then over here, I could put the hourly section, like kind of just mark this off. I don't know. That's not going to be enough space though, right? So my hourly kind of needs to be like, I'd say about 3/4 through. Y'all don't ask me where I got this black ruler from. I'm still trying to figure it out. All right, so there is the hourly, and I'm thinking of if I want to put the hourly on the outside here. And then over here, I would have my to-dos broken up. So I'd have freelance, YouTube, writing, and then miscellaneous. And the hourly portion would also have the hours that I'm doing, so I can keep track of my freelance hours and my hours in general of working. That's why I still want to have an hourly. So that's what I'm thinking of doing with that. So let's see how I can space out the hourly. Now in the Happy Planner, as you can see, it's 7 to 7. I don't need 7 to 7. I'm more of a 9 to 11 kind of girl, just because that's when my shows go off. So I think I might do 8 to 11. I'm gonna try that out. I'm actually going to use a pencil and see how this would work. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Okay, so I could get 8 to 9 on here, which is something. But now if I were to do 9 to 9, that's what I'm really trying to figure out the hours here. Because this part right here is like a chunk of my freelance, but I'm trying to get up by like 7:30, 8 o'clock because my freelance is work from home. And then sometimes my work carries past that, but then I could just put like a sticker here, you know. I'm also thinking about if I want to do like increments of the half hours and stuff. So I might do it like this: 8, 8:30, 9, and then just go all the way down. Let's see how that looks. I don't know how that'll look. Okay, still going. Okay, almost done. So I could do that, but I kind of just like this over here. And I'll also link for you guys the old work planner that I had put together, the work planner setup where I used plum paper inserts that were already lined. Was it plum paper? No, it was Purple Trail. I used Purple Trail inserts, but plum paper, you can get their inserts lined as well. I'll be sharing that soon. But I think that I'm going to ditch the half hour unless I need to put it in. And I'm just going to go with the 8 to 9 because the 7 o'clock, I always have that like super empty and it just doesn't work. So as far as what this could look like, this is a decent template. So I think that I'm going to go with this one for the hourly. And then all of this right here are my to-dos. And I think breaking them in sections, and whether I'm sticking to top 3 or whatever, that'll still work out. So this is what I'm going to go with, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once I have set up for the whole week. The week of October 21st. Okay, so here is the final template that I came up with. I've decided to go with this hourly of not putting in the half hour increments unless I have to, and then my daily to-dos, and then on the back I just did another sketch of what would also work is using washi tape, and then my schedule would be here, and then my categorized to-dos. So I'm just gonna leave this in my brain dump section. The other section I want to add into here would be my finance section, and then also my chore chart is also going to go back here in my brain dump section. But then I'm thinking about just like having a household section in general. So I'm still going to be playing around with the setup of this because I'm really trying to figure out what it is that I want to do in the new year sooner rather than later. So as I'm setting this up, I'll be sharing it with you guys. But here is what this week looks like. So I started with the 21st. Still have to get used to these. If anything, I might put my metal disc on here from Happy Planner. We'll see if I choose to switch those out. But here's what I did. I put the date and then the day of the week in this little section over here. And then these are Happy Planner stickers. And I just put freelance, YouTube, writing, and miscellaneous. And then my schedule, which I will fill in. And then here for the rest of the week, as you can see, I switched to washi tape. And then this is what the weekend, Saturday and Sunday looks like. And then this, I just have this little sticky note. I actually got this in the Planning a Better Me Retreat swag bag. And I just love this one. It's so cute. And I just put the sticky note on here, and I can just have a whole bunch of sticky notes on here if I want to. But this is the cleaning that I'm working on. And yeah, so we're gonna go with this. And if I need to see my week at a glance, I could make a weekly, kind of like the Hobonichi style. So I'll play around with it this week. But I think that as far as like targeting what it is that I need to do in categorizing, that this is gonna work out very, very well. I'm just very hesitant about these discs, and I don't really want to get any bigger ones either. So that is that. That wraps it up for this video. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have all the details on this system, my previous system, which is this Franken planner. Again, I'm testing this out to see if I like it. I love this size, but we'll see. I'll share more with that as we go forward. So be sure to check out all that in the description box, as well as links to related videos, and of course my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic family, what are you waiting for? Come join us. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you lovely people that are, I thank you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.